Today we're making DIY paper cone Christmas tree. The Dollar Tree has really stepped up their game with what they offer for arts and craft materials. There's so much to choose from. I used poster board for the actual cone and I chose the darker green color. For the paper cone itself, I actually used a tutorial by Designed by D9, and I'll link that video down in the description box. If you prefer to read through a tutorial, Home Talk has a great blog post, which I'll also link in the description box. I've always loved the look of these paper cone Christmas trees for decor, and I think they're so versatile. You can wrap them in fabric, you can put pom-poms around them, you can use different colored glitters, sequins, anything like that. But every time I would see them out at like a craft store, Hobby Lobby, AC Moore, Michael's, pre-made, I always felt like they were so expensive and I could never bring myself to buy them. A little life hack that I use is anytime I'm working with messy materials such as glitter, I pick up one of these plastic tablecloths from the Dollar Tree. I bought the spray glue in the aerosol can. They did have some like in a spritz bottle, but I felt like this one would work best for this project. So I just sprayed my glue on and then sprinkled my glitter. I did do 2 coats to cover some of those bald spots that you see on the first go around. I know my paper cone Christmas trees aren't perfect, but I honestly love them and I like the way they look with my little setup that I have going this year. I do think this is a great project to try for anyone who just wants to do a nice, simple, inexpensive Christmas decor that you can either save for the next year, or it's cheap enough that if you wanted to do a different type with a different pattern, wrap it in fabric, like I said, or the pom-poms, any type of variation with a different medium, you can definitely just make some new ones the next year.